Let's move on and talk about another controversy, because this is a new face-off over the national anthem playing out in Kashmir. Just yesterday, the Jammu and Kashmir police detained 15 youths in Srinagar for allegedly not standing during the national anthem. Now, the individuals were let off after they claimed that their act was not intentional and contended that the anthem played by a band during the football match was inaudible. But Mehbooba Mufti, the former chief minister of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, has accused the BJP of coercing people in Kashmir to stand up for the national anthem at gunpoint.
ये अफसोस है, इसमें क्या कह सकते हैं। यहाँ बीजेपी ने जम्मू कश्मीर को कहां पहुंचाया है कि वो बंदूक के बलबूते पे लोगों को कहते हैं कि आप नेशनल एंथम पे खड़े हो जाओ। मुझे याद है जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे, चाहे पिक्चर हॉल हो, चाहे कहीं बाहर कोई फंक्शन हो, खुद ब खुद हम नेशनल एंथम के लिए खड़े हो जाते थे। हमें कोई बंदूक लेके पीछे खड़ा नहीं होता था।
Well, Sahil Sohail is connected with us. Sahil, good morning. There cannot be any excuses as far as when it comes to the national anthem that is being played. Due respect needs to be given.
Well, exactly. There is no compromise, and that's why authorities acted very quickly. In fact, 15 people were detained and they were questioned. And during questioning, these 15 people basically told police that they could not hear the, band performance and didn't notice that national anthem was being, the tune of national anthem was basically being played. It was not national anthem. The lyrics were not played in the stadium. That was full of crowd. So police basically understood that point, and they were, in fact, after proper counseling, they were releasing. Now PDP chief basically saying and, in fact, alleging that BJP or the administration is making people to stand for the national anthem on gunpoint is completely wrong. People have been voluntarily standing up, and politicians like Mehbooba Mufti has been basically accusing and politicizing the matters, as we have seen yesterday in the day. Mehbooba Mufti visited at least 2 places where, in fact, she is alleging that army or police will take over the lands. One particular spot, which is around 10 kilometers of land, has been provided to police for police martyrs memorial, but Mehbooba Mufti is raising objection, and this is her stand. In last many years, basically, we had seen Mehbooba Mufti taking such a stand.
Well, standing
but
for the national
BJP
anthem
and
is
other
something that has to be done. Has no disrespect, would be tolerable. Any compromise on that, we're looking at as far as standing for the national anthem is not something which is voluntary. Please to stay on with us, Sahil, because we are getting reactions coming in from the BJP as well. Because it is essential to recognize that Mehbooba Mufti is the very individual who requested a second chance for the notorious and deceased terrorist Burhan Wani. And furthermore, she had pushed for dialogue with terrorists wielding weapons, referring to them as sons of soil. Now, BJP argues that figures like Mehbooba Mufti are engaged in form of politics that banks on treason.
Whatever Mehbooba Mufti has said today is totally obnoxious, rather bizarre. This shows the frustration of leaders like Mehbooba Mufti, because things have changed after 5th August 2019. But it's only because the leaders like Mehbooba Mufti, whose politics still thrives on the politics of division only. But people have already said no to her, and leaders like her. That is why her party is now squeezed to 3.
Well, Sahil, that's the point that is now being made. As far as when it comes to the national anthem is concerned, it is our pride. Not standing to it amounts to disrespect.
As I said, PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has been, in fact, trying to politicize every single matter in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly with regard to matters that are related to national security or national respect. But Mehbooba Mufti's point is that people are basically, what she tried to say is people stand voluntarily, and there should be no force basically used to make people stand for the national anthem. It should be out of love, out of respect.
Well, let me get in a word from Mr. Abdul Ghani, who is also connected with us. Can you hear me, sir?
Hello. Yes, please.
Can you tell us about your point of view as far as Mehbooba Mufti, who seems to think that it is forcing anyone to stand up for the national anthem amounts to coercion?
No, the thing is, I have not seen that very scene itself, but for your good information, whosoever acts anti-national, that's never tolerable, and that should not be tolerated by anybody. Because we being Indians, we definitely respect those people who respect our India or our constitution. Whosoever goes out of constitution, that thing is not appreciable at all.
Well, that's the point, because now the BJP has been accusing her of treason, saying that this amounts to treason as far as the statement is concerned.
I'm a man from BJP party, so definitely
Yes.
I have to endorse whatever my party say.
Yes.
I being a small worker, so I have to endorse.
Yes. So you endorse that this is treason, this amounts to treason. Thank you very much, Mr. Abdul Ghani, for your point of view. As far as when it comes to disrespect of the national anthem is concerned, the Kashmir police there had detained multiple people, mostly who were youth. However, the BTP seems to be taking a dig on the BJP here. When it comes to this 17 of these spectators that were believed to be sitting during the playing of the national anthem by a live band during the ceremony, which was played as far as when it comes to in the final of the ceremony that was taking place, that was attended by top leaders. However, according to the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti on the detention of these people who, however, were let off with a warning, but according to her, this amounts to coercion. And this is something that should not be tolerable. According to, as far as the BJP is concerned, they are now saying that this amounts to treason. And when it comes to disrespecting the national anthem, it cannot be compromised at any form and will not be tolerated either.
ये अफसोस है, इसमें क्या कह सकते हैं। यहाँ बीजेपी ने जम्मू कश्मीर को कहां पहुंचाया है कि वो बंदूक के बलबूते पे लोगों को कहते हैं कि आप नेशनल एंथम पे खड़े हो जाओ। मुझे याद है जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे, चाहे पिक्चर हॉल हो, चाहे कहीं बाहर कोई फंक्शन हो, खुद ब खुद हम नेशनल एंथम के लिए खड़े हो जाते थे। हमें कोई बंदूक लेके पीछे खड़ा नहीं होता था।